I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the gift card is redeemed into your Flipkart account. Once done, pick a high-demand item whose price matches the card value. Make sure your bank account is KYC complete so you can receive funds. Create crisp photos and save the order invoice immediately. This proves value and speeds disputes. Next, purchase the chosen product with the gift card and keep the delivery tracking. Make sure the item is new and unopened to maximize resale price. Once the product is in hand, create a listing on a reliable resale platform or a local marketplace and explain payment will be via bank transfer or UPI. Price competitively so it sells quickly. Once you accept an offer, invoice and tracking become your proof of legitimacy. Ship with tracking and choose cashless receipt directly to your bank. Make sure to verify the buyer's profile and communicate clearly. This reduces chargebacks and speeds the final transfer to your account. After the buyer confirms receipt, verify the funds have cleared to your bank before releasing any additional proof or packages. If payment is delayed, contact the resale platform's support and provide the invoice, tracking number, and gift card redemption screenshot. These documents prove value and origin. If a dispute arises, escalate immediately with order ID and delivery proof. Make sure to keep all chat records. One key tip: never ship an expensive item without tracked shipping and written by.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.